Vila Aquamaris is a hidden gem in the heart of the Pacific's pearl, Bora, French Polynesia. Facing the famous Mount Otemanu, the property spans several acres of lush nature. After years of development and construction by visionary designer and builder Guy Parent, this phenomenal estate is now complete and offered for sale, including all custom imported furnishings and ready for immediate occupancy. Completely unique and never to be duplicated in French Polynesia, the estate offers an unmatched lifestyle in what is considered by many the most beautiful location on Earth. Sited on over 4 acres stretching from the open ocean to the famed Bora Lagoon and a front entrance accessible by a unique private waterway. A heaven of peace, the property's many windows offer breathtaking views over Bora's lagoon. In the spirit of a patio house, the villa is divided into living and leisure spaces connected by passageways, all using wooden coverings and roofs. The villa features 7 magnificent suites, a spa, indoor pool, theater, bar and library, and what is, at 92,000 gallons, the largest private aquarium in the world. Other features include a 74-foot-long infinity pool with swim-up bar, a massive sun deck, beach bar, 7-bedroom staff house, a 2-bedroom ocean view apartment designated for the manager, all surrounded by lush gardens and towering palm trees. The villa takes its name from the Latin Aquamarus, seawater. Every space has been designed to interact with water in every possible way. A haven of peace and beauty like nowhere else.